Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved used Audi A4 Saloon S-line 35 TFSI with the S-Tronic gearbox. Now this particular example is also finished in the optional Mythos black metallic paintwork, which really give this A4 that standout road appearance. Now as you look towards the key features, and with this being the S-line trim level, it does mean the A4 benefits from the additional S-line styling such as the front bumper design, rear diffuser and side profile. As well as this, you do get the additional chrome assets such as the window surrounds, exhaust tips and wheels to complement. Moving towards the front of the vehicle now, we find these fantastic digital LED matrix headlights which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys now, we find these exceptional S-line specific 19-inch 5-arm Torzio design alloys, in which they really complement the lovely black paintwork. To the side of the A4 now, there is also that rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants in view and does protect those valuable items from view as well. Moving into the rear boot space now of the Audi A4, where we find up to 460 litres of storage space. There's a large amount for a saloon vehicle of this size, and this can easily accommodate one larger suitcase as well as a few additional shopping bags. Now taking a look into the rear seats, we do find a half leather interior with the Dynamica Alcantara in the centre. As well as this, there is a leather centre armrest which is for them for added comfort, and there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, which makes the A4 perfect for family usage. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of leather, Dynamica and aluminium. With this being the S-line model, it does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional S-line styling on the inside, such as the two-tone leather seats in which you have the S logos. Above now, there is the virtual cockpit, which is featured with two digital rev counters, as well as having access to navigation, radio connectivity, vehicle information, and also the telephone stations as well. Now to the centre of the dashboard, we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, which has featured the satellite navigation, and does also allow access to your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And just below this, there is the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and there are heated seat functionalities either side of this for both front passengers. To the screen above once again now, we do find a reversing camera, which has made this vehicle much easier to park, especially in those tighter spaces. So thank you for watching this video of the approved used Audi A4 Saloon S-line 35 TFSI, which is now available at Stafford Audi. For more information, please do get in touch with our sales team.